Welcome everyone. I got this cute little 5-inch dish mold from Craspire that I thought I would use with these lilacs that I have preserved from my garden using silica. And then I have these plastic diamonds that I found at Dollarama, and there's just various sizes, but we'll figure out which size I'm going to use later on. So I'm just going to start placing these cute little flowers in the dish. Okay, now with the silicone pen, I'm just going to push the petals down into the rim of the mold.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never.
Little massage